Hello. So this is going to be your reading from 1st to 7th of February, and I'll look into your relationships and career in general. Okay. No need to worry if anything negative comes up, because I have to tell you what I'm seeing here. Okay. Because this is just a reading for 7 days only. Okay. Energies will change soon after the 8th day onwards. Okay. Usually it happens. So I'll go from Aries to Pisces. Okay. Aries, how will be your career within this period, 1st to 7th of February? Aries, career and relationship. See, Aries, career wise, I feel like you're feeling very overburdened. You want to come out of something, some mental fogginess and all. Okay. And this is somehow impacting your relationship also, or it can be vice versa because of something that's going on within your relationship. It's not exactly negative. ये कुछ ऐसा है कि where you got some realizations and कुछ you just came out of some illusions that you were in, okay, since very long. Okay, so this is it. So first week is something regarding some realizations, एंड दिस इज फॉर योर हाईएस्ट गुड ओनली, क्योंकि इस तरीके की चीजें जब भी आती है ना रीडिंग्स में, इट मीन्स there is some major changes about to come in your love life also and in your career also. Let me see what it can lead to in future. Great, this is what I wanted to see actually. Knight of Cups. Okay, so slowly and gradually you will come out of whatever situation you're facing, and actually, first week seems like a week of decision making for you, Aries. Okay, stay blessed. Let me see for Taurus. Taurus, how will be your career 1st to 7th of February? Career, Taurus, and relationship wise. How will be your relationships in general? See, career wise, again, for Taurus also, I'm seeing that you may feel like there is something which is very much बर्डनिंग यू मेंटली फिजिकली. हो सकता है वर्कलोड हो बहुत ज्यादा, हो सकता है कि यू जस्ट वांट टू कम आउट ऑफ वट एवर प्रोफाइल यू आर इनटू. कुछ वट आपके काम में जो भी चीजें हैं, सपोज आपके प्रोफाइल में कुछ सर्टेन चीजें हैं जो एडेड है, देयर इज समथिंग दैट इज ट्रबलिंग यू. नहीं, आई डोंट वांट टू डू दिस और दिस वे और दैट वे. यू आर फीलिंग वेरी मच ओवरबर्डन. उस चीज से बाहर निकलना, यू नीड टू चेंज समथिंग. ओके, व्हेन इट कम्स टू रिलेशनशिप, दिस सीम्स ग्रेट. Those who are married, or those, even if those who are not married, I'm seeing something growing, some new relationships or something. And those who are married and those who are waiting for some pregnancies or ऐसा कुछ, ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि you may get certain news of such kind from your any of your relatives and all. And okay, relationship wise, it's good, great. For Taurus, okay, fine. Let me see for Geminis. Geminis, how will be your career in general? Geminis, within this period, 1st to 7th. Geminis, career wise. My God, what is happening in the first week of February? Lot of changes. And relationship wise, let me see for Geminis. Relationship wise also, Geminis, I'm seeing you making some judgment. Okay. Career wise also, all the three zodiacs got almost similar things. Okay, it's like releasing burdens. अगर आपको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा वेर एवर यू आर वर्किंग, जस्ट लीव इट. ऐसा कुछ माइंडसेट आपका हो सकता है. ओके, सेकेंडली, व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर relationships also, I'm seeing some past resurfacing, and there is a possibility that वो वैलेंटाइन वाला पीरियड है, तो मे बी somebody from the past may come up and they want to initiate some conversations with you. ऐसा कुछ, ठीक है. But overall, it's good. The theme is good. The star. Okay. Geminis, I'm seeing something which is very common in zodiac reading this time. In the month of February, I'm seeing a lot of things changing. You are into that mindset to not to feel very overburdened. Nahi. You want to just release whatever is weighing you very heavily. Okay. Let me see for Cancerians, how will be your career within this period? Cancerians, career wise, and how will be your love life? Cancerians. Oh, great. See, career wise, you're contemplating something. मे बी कि यू आर रिसर्चिंग ऑन टू समथिंग. हो सकता है कि आपको कुछ आपका जॉब प्रोफाइल ऐसा हो वेर यू नीड टू डू लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च एंड ऑल, एंड आई एम सीइंग यू वेरी 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 सीरियसली handling it. If it's not like that, then you're contemplating about certain changes, again changes, all four zodiacs, similar kind of thing in career. And relationship wise, something is changing, Cancerians, and there is something in your mind that you'll be getting some clarity from your partner. ऐसा कुछ दिख रहा है, okay? That something is going to change in a positive way. Your divine timing is running, it's on play, okay? Change for something better. ये हमेशा betterment के लिए ही होता है. Positive changes in your relationships हो सकता है, because Valentine is approaching, no? हो सकता है. Okay, stay blessed. Now let me see for Leos. Leos, let me see how will be your career within this period. Leos, career, relationships, Leos. Relationship wise, so it's great, and career wise also, I'm seeing that um, you may be thinking about adding something to your whatever you're doing, okay? Some additional source of income or something like that, or there are chances that whatever job you're doing, you're having another option, or you may get some another opportunity jahan pe you are contemplating and are thinking how to plan. And a few of you may connect to people from abroad. हो सकता है आपके clients हो बाहर के, ऐसा कुछ, okay? Some journeys are on the cards. And when it comes to relationship, it's awesome. Relationship wise to Leos, you don't need to worry, because यू आर द रियल मजिशियन. कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है, बहुत अच्छा फेज है आपका रिलेशनशिप वाइज, एंड होपफुली वैलेंटाइन इज अप्रोचिंग. एंड दोज हु आर मैरिड ऑल्सो, आई कैन सी दैट योर लव्ड वंस एंड एवरीबडी अराउंड यू इज अप्रिशिएटिंग, दे like you, they love you, they respect you. This is a very great period. It's awesome for Leos, okay? Let me see for Virgos. Virgos, how will be your career within this period? Virgos, career and relationships. वर्गो, whatever I'm seeing here in your career and relationships, मुझे देखकर यही लग रहा है कि you people are absolutely into this self improvement, self love more. You are rejecting anything which is nonsense in your life. You're rejecting any kind of relationships or any offers, anything. You're very much focused on yourself, Virgos. I'm seeing you improving yourself, working on yourself, okay? And some of you might be um, focusing somewhere else in relationships, especially. There are chances that you're focused on somebody in particular, and there is somebody from background that I can see some energies. Okay, there is some another energy also who is trying to come forward and connect to you. Aisa kuch. So this period is very crucial for you. Although it's nice, it's great. Virgos, no need to worry. Stay blessed. Okay, let me see for Libras. Libra, how will be your career within this period, Libra? Just a minute, just a minute. Wait. Libras, how will be your career within this period, Libras? And relationship, how will be your relationship, Libras? See, Libras, I can see that in your career aspect, you are something, it's like something is weighing you. Means there are so many things that you know that you can do it very well. So there are chances that you are just skipping some of the things. कि चलो ठीक है इसको बाद में कर लूँगा. Although Libras are not like that, but in the first week of February, you are taking something very on a lighter note, because of some aspects in your relationship. I'm seeing you healing, and healing from some hurt, some pain that you might be having in the past. Okay, किसी ने कुछ कह दिया, या फिर Libras are very good at balancing things, no? Their love life, their relationships and their career, everything. But career wise, it's not good. It's just overthinking. regarding something else and that is impacting your career also. You just as a slow wala pace chal raha hai in the first week, and because you're more focused on your relationships, your career, I mean your relationships in general. Okay, you're healing from something. You're maintaining some boundaries with few people around you, Libras, in the first week of February. Okay, no worries, it's all good. Let me see for Scorpio. Scorpios, how will be your Scorpios? Let me see how will be your relationships. First, career. Okay, let me see your career, Scorpios, career wise and relationship wise. Scorpios. See, career wise, though, I'm not seeing you very much satisfied or feeling content with whatever you are having at present. It's about wanting something more. You may feel like whatever you have planned or whatever your plans were, it's not working out exactly the way you wanted it to work out. Okay, Scorpios, ये ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, it's all your mindset. And I'm seeing you planning something relationship wise, so it's super, one of the best whatever I have seen till now. Okay, शांति ही शांति. वहां पे ना यू आर फीलिंग वेरी पीसफुल एंड एक्चुअली में यू वांट पीस. उनको ना आपको यू आर ऑलरेडी डिस्ट्रैक्टेड इनटू योर करियर, यू आर ऑलरेडी प्लानिंग एंड थिंग्स आर नॉट गोइंग योर वेज, तो यू डोंट वांट एनी डिस्ट्रैक्शंस फ्रॉम दैट रिलेशनशिप पार्ट. मे बी कि आपके दिमाग में शांति और फीलिंग वेरी कंटेंट फ्रॉम विद इन. इट्स नॉट कंटेंटमेंट, इट्स पीस. ओके, मे बी कि यू आर कीपिंग इट असाइड और वो टेंशन आपको एडिशनल नहीं चाहिए बिकॉज यू हैव टू रिजॉल्व समथिंग दिस साइड. Okay, overall it's good. It's all about your mental state. It's nothing there in the environment में कोई problem नहीं है. It's your mental state. Okay, चलो, let me see for Sagittarius, how will be your career in the first week of February? Sag, career, relationships. Career wise, great. Career wise, so you are feeling very motivated, you are very content, you're just going with the flow कि चलो जो चीजें जैसे चल रही है ना उसको चलने दो, no need to worry there. Career aspect को लेकर you're not even worrying for that because there is something in your relationship that is troubling you. It can be some plans that's not working out. Okay, हो सकता है आपने जो सोच के रखा हो वैसे चीजें नहीं चल रही हो, but this is your mindset. Situation इतना भी बुरा नहीं है. And this is just the energy of first week only. No need to worry. Aage we'll see then how will be the next week. That is the Valentine weeks. No, I'll do specific love readings for you all. Okay. And let me see what is this. Why are you juggling in your relationships? What is that you had planned and it's not working out? Sag. Acha, you wanted to initiate some conversation and it's not that way. You thought ki if you are putting something in, suppose you planned ki okay, I'll talk to the other person this way and he'll respond this way. The script was there in your mind, but it's not going accordingly to your plan. This is it, nothing more than that. No need to worry. Okay, things may work out in the second week. We'll see later on. Okay, stay blessed. Let me see for Capricorns. Capricorns, how will be your career in the first week of February, Capricorns? And relationships. Both are good. Capricorns, great. See, in your career, I can see that you may meet somebody who has been your ex-colleague or your mentor. He or she can be your mentor, and you are getting help from these people. Okay, in the first week of February. Okay, Capricorns, and it's great. The first week ही बहुत अच्छा है आपका. Okay, career wise, and you may visit somewhere or ऐसे होता है ना कि suppose you are working somewhere and you used to work somewhere else earlier, तो वहां पे you may visit or somebody from that place may visit you or you may get an opportunity to connect to the person. Okay, you're feeling very good, very nice, and you're getting a lot of support from your seniors, juniors, everybody. Okay, Capricorns, when it comes to relationship, you're very content. सब सही चल रहा है. Your family life, your love life, whatever it is, shanti, shanti, shanti. But from background I can see that ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है कि somebody in your family needs some treatment, ऐसा कुछ मुझे कुछ intuition हुई. Okay, keep it in mind. If somebody in your family needs instant treatment of something, talk to them and go ahead. Okay, Capricorn, it's nothing to worry. ये just एक background message मुझे मिला. Okay, चलो, Capricorn, stay blessed. Now coming to Aquarius. Aquarius, let me see how will be your career within this period. Aquarius. Aquarius, how will be your career within the first week of February? Aquarius, career wise and relationship wise. Aquarius, career wise, you are making this is a week of decision making. You are cutting off any nonsense in your workplace. You may be connecting to people having a lot of negativities, and you don't feel good being that these people are around you, and you want to work with these people and all. So you're maintaining certain distance. You're very crystal clear like what you have to do. You're planning, and maybe you are doing it at present, and you will be implementing in the first week of February. Okay, that's great. Excellent. And when it comes to your love life, I'm seeing that things are moving gradually. As धीरे धीरे progress. This is something which is progressing in your life, and it's good because I can see that Valentine week is approaching now. तो ये relationship वाला मैं I can see clearly see that some zodiac sign for some zodiacs they are making some decisions. There was zodiacs for whom I did the readings जहाँ पे ये आ रहा था कि they are cutting off people ऐसा decision making वाला time. Okay, let me see for Pisces. Pisces, how will be your career in the first week of February? Career, Pisces, and relationships. Pisces, relationships. Pisces, career wise, I can see that you're overthinking something. There can be something which is weighing you very heavily, and it's your mindset. The situation has passed, it's not in the present. Something which has happened, there are chances that आपने इतना struggle किया हुआ है पहले कि you are thinking about it, how was that phase and all. Come out of it, Pisces, because वो phase है जो निकल चुका है, उसको लेकर यू आर ओवरली कॉन्टेम्पलेटिंग. हो सकता है किसी ने कुछ कह दिया हो वर्क प्लेस पे, या फिर चीजें आपके अकॉर्डिंगली नहीं चल पा रही हो, या फिर नहीं चली हो उस टाइम पर, बट दिस इज पास्ट, नो नीड टू वरी. ओके, एंड relationship wise, so is super. You're very content, you're happy, you're enjoying, everything is okay, and that's the reason that will help you ultimately in your career aspect also, because this is just overthinking. You're overthinking here, nothing more than that. Okay, stay blessed, Pisces. Okay, all of you, take care.